Yeah, man. Shout out to little bros, man. Subscribe to my page, man. Gang shit.
Come on.
Y'all gonna be on the vlog, all right? All right. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. How you doing?
Are y'all taking pictures of the menu? Yeah, the menu right there, yeah. Oh. Yeah, just hold your phone over the scan. Open your phone up.
So what is all this like? What is called?
Pretty much garlic, kosher salt, black pepper. There's a little bit of oregano, different spices. Chicken bread. It's sourdough bread.
Sourdough bread. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah, what's poppin' YouTube? What is poppin' Guala Gang? What is poppin' Low Life Gang? It's your boy Guala Dude and my sister Alicia, of course. And we're MukGanging.
Yeah, I'm killing our food every day.
Yeah. They gave us some what it is? Oh shit, I'm spilling it. They give us some
All the seasoning.
some this and that. We can call that this and that. They give us some bread and dip. What kind of bread this is?
It's sourdough bread.
I don't know. Rye.
It's sourdough bread.
He said Hawaiian, ain't it?
It's sourdough bread.
Some.
Sourdough bread.
I dip that motherfucker like that.
Get our seasoning.
Very crunchy.
Easy, motherfucker.
Real.
You know, I mean, I hate it. Stop it up.
Stop it up.
Stop. Taste the herb.
Taste. Smell good, huh? Yeah. Tastes good. Taste the air. Ah. That bitch good though. To me.
Yeah, I'm hitting on. I don't know what season is in there, but
Heat.
he's sticking to his diet with his drink, and I had that sweet tea.
Got the sweet tea motherfucker. I got that water motherfucker. With that lemon motherfucker.
Yeah.
You gonna be full off the bread. Let me stop. It's my last piece.
Why the fuck you lying?
Why?
I'm actually done because my salad come on want to be
Nothing.
hotline. I know what that hotline be. That don't mean me one day. I know what that hotline be. My phone pick up.
That bread motherfucker straight.
That shit, yeah. I'm gonna go home and fuck it up.
You know what I'm saying?
Fuck up some bread real quick. Like they put that bitch like, it wasn't a little too long.
Yeah, it is a little hard. I ain't gonna count. It is a little crunchy. I ain't gonna count.
Crazy. Like, put out there, motherfucker.
Yeah. So I put that oil in that motherfucker.
Yeah, olive oil.
We're just patiently waiting on our food.
I don't give a fuck.
Daddy, I was like, God, I got a room call this morning, but this baby have a whole. Why y'all fool did this shit?
I smashed my salad, man. As y'all can see. I had a salad, but I smashed it. I'm gonna put this extra on there.
I need extra flavor, I need extra sauce.
Thank you. Okay, let's boom.
No, okay, I'm good. Okay.
Boy, if you don't.
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
That little salt and pepper on that motherfucker. That is.
Like tenderize. Let's see what the mushroom tastes like.
And we have a heater.
I mean, this sauteed just right. And that sauteed just right.
Amen.
Alright guys, is everything tastes good so far?
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you. This is how you're supposed to eat the pasta, you know what I'm saying? Pick it up. Take the spoon, you feel me? You feel me? Like that. You gotta do it like the Italians do it.
Ain't no.
You see it?
You feel me? You know what I'm saying? You got a lesson. You just got a lesson.
Look at this. Somebody come look at this.
Hey, man.
Say hey.
What, mommy?
What, girl? Hey. I see you. I can't see you. I can't see you.
Little bug, I miss you. Cause I'm full of shit right now.
Hey.
Oh,
Hey. What? Hey. I can't see you. I can't see you. Hey, hey. Hey. You don't know me no more? I do know you some more. Huh? Sorry, y'all, that was my kid, you know what I'm saying? The conversation, Father Lives Matter. Yeah, man, we're getting a little full, you know what I'm saying? A little bread and salad. I got a little dent in mine, but I think sis is done.
yeah, that salad did it, man. I think when you're hungry, you shouldn't like overdo yourself, and that salad just.
Okay, you know what I'm saying? It's tradition to rate the food. 5 stars. Go
You
ahead.
guys still doing okay, guys, by the way?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Check back.
Can we have you guys do pillows?
Yeah, to go back there, right here.
Yeah, man. It's the same kind of juice. I get it some. I get
10.
I get it a 5 star.
There you go.
I give it a 10, and it deserves a 5 star. I didn't think it was gonna taste that good with these mushrooms, but hello? Girl,
I'm going to
Mama, it's not dude, it's me. Why you don't want to talk?
I'm
Girl,
gonna say that for later, you know what I'm saying?
What?
When you in the crib chilling, you know what I'm
What?
saying? Late night.
I'm coming to get you. Huh?
Yeah, man. Make sure you like this video. Make sure you comment. Make sure you subscribe.
I'm gonna get that tomorrow.
You know what I'm saying? Me,
Somebody like that.
sis, my baby called, you know what I'm saying, interrupt us.
Yeah. Anytime she calls, you gotta pick up the phone.
Gang.
Fool, on your side. You ain't.
I be mobbing with the bros. Yeah, we want all smoke. We got good